Today we are discussing about multiplication by lattice method. For better understanding of multiplication by lattice method, we will have to take an example. Left side is called multiplier and right side is called multiplicand. Firstly, we have to check how many digits in multiplier side and how many digits in multiplicand side. Multiplier side digits number is 3 and multiplicand side number of digits are 2. Then we have to make 3 by 2 lattice structure. 3 by 2 lattice structure. We write multiplier horizontally and multiplicand firstly multiply this to this. 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12 and 6 into 3 18, and we calculate each lattice box 2 4 1 5 and 1 6 0 6 6 6 1 7 7 8 15. 8 2 10 and 6 stop करके uncle. Then our final result is 2 6 or 1 7 5 or 1 6 then after 0 and then after 6. This is our final result. Thank you.